Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are going to be working on our Dodge Ram 2500. Just did the big brake package, cleaned up the rims a little bit, repainted everything. Now we're going to install some shock absorbers. To take out the old one, it's literally a 21 mil ratchet and a wrench. Comes out no problem. Now when installing the bushing and the spacer, you want to lubricate both of those things and you just pop it back into place, and it takes a little bit of finesse work, but you will get it. Now after that, you go to reinstall it. You want to install the top portion first. I like to have the shock absorbing portion closest to the ground, and then I tend to put a rubber boot on this. This one did not come with it, and the torque specs of this are 100 foot-pounds per each side, so the top and bottom, and you will enjoy a much better ride when you've replaced these things compared to what I had before. Look at those things.